Alright, so today we are going to be mounting the GoPro Hero 10 to the tripod. So what you need is the GoPro itself, the little screw that screws into the tripod, and you need to first pull out these little mounting arms on the GoPro. Pretty easy. Make sure they are vertical, and then slide it down into the little grooves right there. You make sure that it is aligned, and then you put the screw through it. And that's all you got to do. And make sure that these feet are evenly spaced out. And there you go. It's all mounted.